Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing identity and contact details so nothing interrupts the process. Once ready, sign in to your Nadra online account using your CNIC and password. If you don't have an account, create one now with the exact CNIC data. Make sure your email and phone on file are current because notifications and OTPs arrive there. Next, navigate directly to the Biometrics or CNIC update section and choose the Fingerprint update option to begin the application form. You will now complete the online form carefully. Double-check name spelling, CNIC number, and address because mismatches cause delays. Next, upload required files, CNIC scan, a recent passport-style photo, and any requested documents, ensuring each meets size and format rules. Once files are accepted, select a biometric appointment time and location if the system requires in-person fingerprint capture. If payment is needed, pay with your card or the portal's accepted method, and keep the payment confirmation for your record. You finish by attending the scheduled biometric appointment with your original CNIC and appointment confirmation. Arrive early to avoid rush. At the center, complete the fingerprint capture and ask for printed acknowledgement or tracking ID. This is your proof and lets you track progress. Once processed, check status online until the update is confirmed. If the update fails or timings exceed the portal estimate, clear browser cache, recheck uploaded file specs, and contact Nadra helpline with your tracking ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.